Upon joining Pivot Breathe, members indicate which type of tobacco they use and have everything needed to get started. For members who smoke combustible cigarettes, they will have the option to receive the Pivot breath sensor delivered straight to their doorstep. Proven to increase motivation to quit smoking and reduce the number of cigarettes smoked, the breath sensor is a powerful component of the Pivot Breathe program. Members receive instructions on how to start using the breath sensor, which is as simple as turning the device on and providing a brief breath sample. The breath sensor measures the carbon monoxide in one's breath, a byproduct of smoking. A reading indicating high, medium, or low carbon monoxide in the breath will appear on screen, helping members visualize progress toward their unique goals. Pivot members who have used the breath sensor agree. It's a powerful tool that changes the way in which long-standing behaviors are broken down, and new, healthier habits are created. To learn more, visit pivot.co today.